Good afternoon, everyone. We are Team Quality Education, and these are our group members. So, quality education is one of the sustainable development goal decided by the United Nations in year 2015. It ensures inclusive and equitable education for all the citizens of all the country. Irrespective of their background, economic background and location. So this is my story written by Munshi Premchand, Divine Justice. This story revolves around two characters, Munshi Satyanarayan and Pandit Brigudat. So there was once a rich landlord in Kanpur whose name was Pandit Brigudat, whose estate was managed by his loyal servant Pandit Munshi Satyanarayan with honesty. So when Pandit Brigudat was dead, her widow Bhanu Kumari gave the responsibility of the upbringing of the children and the management of the estate to Pandit Brigudat, his loyal servant Munshi Satyanarayan. When the village was in auction, Pandit Munshi Satyanarayan bought the village in Munshiji's name, and he slowly began to name the property, all the properties of Pandit Brigudat in his name. When this seed of greed slowly began to enter his heart, the Pandit's widow questioned him, which led to some conspiracies which led Munshi Satyanarayan to steal the estate documents, and they began in a legal battle. So this story tells us that how education plays an important role in an individual's life by shaping by making a responsible and loyal person. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Upmanyu, and today my story is The Editor by Rabindranath Tagore. So I would like to start with a quote like, "Education is not just filling of a pail, it's the lighting of a fire." And this quote is also given by Rabindranath Tagore. So the main characters of this story is only the editor. So he is fully engrossed in his work. So after his wife died, he should be his responsibility was to take care of his daughter Prabha, but he is fully busy in his job. So busy in what? He was busy in glorifying his village Jahegram and criticizing his village, the other village Ahegram. So there was a conflict between the people of Jahegram and Ahegram villages for a long time. So to later the editor realized when Prabha started to feel ill, and when Prabha started to feel ill, so then later the editor realized that he should not be busy fully. He should also give some time to his daughter for taking care. And how is this connected to SDG 4? So SDG 4 here, actually the people of Jahegram and Ahegram were uneducated, so they were fighting for no reason. There was a conflict. So if they were educated, so there would be no conflict. So that's why education is important. And thank you. Now I would have to hand it over to.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am Srikar. My short story is Old Bapu. Many people had faced the poverty in some people. The Anand is one of the character in the story, and Anand has faced many problems in his life. And one day Anand has been walking to the bazaar, and he was very tired and feeling very weak, and he remembered his childhood, his mother's love, his struggles and his pain of poverty. Even though his life was cruel to him, he had more faith in his life, and he had gone for a work to a contractor and asked for a work, but he was refused and he was very insulted, and the contractor gave him a small coin, and he accepted it with a great dignity and faith. And in this Bapu's journey, the author has shows the hardship of the poor and how often society forgets them, but it also teaches us a message to be kind, respectful and compassionate toward every human being, no matter how old or poor. Thank you.